So I've been testing the Chime Credit Builder Visa for a few months now, and if you're trying to build or rebuild your credit without racking up debt, this card might already be on your radar. It promises no interest, no fees, and no credit check to apply. But is it actually useful for building credit in real life, or is it just another fintech buzz product? Let's break it down. This is a secured card alternative offered by Chime, one of the most popular mobile banking apps in the US. It's designed for safe, no-risk credit building, and here's how it works. No credit check to apply, no interest, no annual fees, no late fees, no minimum security deposit. Instead, you move money into a credit builder account, which acts as your spending limit. Reports monthly to all 3 major credit bureaus. No hard pull or impact to your score when you sign up. You need a Chime checking account and a qualifying direct deposit to use it. In short, it's not a traditional credit card, but it does help build credit safely. There are a few standout things I really like about Chime's credit builder. No fees or interest at all. That's rare, even for secured cards. No risk of going into debt. You're spending your own money, but still building credit. Great for beginners or people recovering from past credit issues. No hard inquiry. Super helpful if you're worried about your score. User-friendly mobile app. You can move money, lock your card, and track credit progress easily. Reports to Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Key for improving your credit profile. For people who want to build credit without taking on credit card debt, this is one of the safest options out there.
But it's not perfect. Here are some things to keep in mind. You must open a Chime checking account.
It's not a standalone product. Requires a qualifying direct deposit to unlock credit builder access. No rewards, cashback, or perks. It's all about credit building. Can't carry a balance, which is good for credit health, but limits flexibility. Not ideal for people who want a traditional credit card experience. Doesn't help with credit utilization the same way traditional cards do, since your limit is controlled by you. So while it's safe and smart, it's also limited by design. Who should get this card? Chime's Credit Builder card is great for credit newbies who want to build credit safely, people recovering from bad credit history or past mistakes, anyone who wants to avoid fees, interest, or overspending, Chime users who already have a checking account and direct deposit set up, budgeters and students who want more control without traditional debt. Skip this card if you don't use Chime or qualify for their checking and direct deposit. You want cashback, points, or premium perks. You prefer traditional credit cards with set credit limits. You need a card that works internationally with added travel features. The Chime Credit Builder Visa is one of the safest and easiest ways to start building credit in 2025, especially if you're afraid of racking up debt or getting hit with interest. It's not flashy, and there's no rewards program, but what it does offer is pure no-risk credit building with 0 fees, no interest, and a smooth mobile app experience. If you're already using Chime and want to level up your credit score safely, this is a smart move. Just know that as your credit grows, you'll eventually want to graduate to a card that offers more features and long-term perks. If this review helped you out, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and share this with anyone who's trying to build their credit the smart way in 2025. And comment below, are you thinking about Chime Credit Builder, or are you using another card to boost your score? Catch you in the next one.